Hello friends, how are you all? This is Vishwa. So in today's video, we will learn that how to insert video file in Microsoft Excel. So for that, first we will go to the Insert tab, click on it. In Insert tab, we will go to the text. This is text. Click on its drop down and here is the option Object. Click Object. Here, click Create from File and here click Browse. Okay, now you can select your file wherever you have saved in your computer. So suppose we have saved our file on desktop. Click desktop. After that, select your file. We have selected this file. Now click insert. This file is here now. Okay, now click OK. So you'll see our file is here on Excel page. It is very simple to open. Click on it and your file will open. See this.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए